Real estate investing, it's all anyone seems to talk about lately. From your neighbor to your friends, opinions abound. But what's the hype about? Today we're diving into the top 7 benefits of real estate investing. The first benefit we're going to discuss is cash flow. Now when you hear cash flow, think of a river of money flowing into your bank account. That's right. Real estate, particularly rental properties, can become a reliable source of income. It's like having tenants pay your mortgage while you reap the benefits. Imagine owning a property and renting it out. Each month that rental income adds up, creating a steady stream of cash that's all yours. And the best part? This income is remarkably steady and dependable. It's not subject to the whims of the stock market, it doesn't fluctuate wildly, and it's not going to disappear overnight. In fact, with the right property in the right location, your cash flow could even increase over time as property values and rental rates rise. So, if you're looking for a way to create a stable, consistent income, real estate could well be your golden goose. So, that's benefit number 1, a consistent cash flow. Benefit number 2 is appreciation. Now, let's jump into the magic of appreciation. In the world of real estate investing, appreciation is like the fairy godmother who subtly, but surely, enhances the value of your property over time. You see, real estate is not like your everyday commodity. It's a tangible asset that, more often than not, appreciates in value. Think of it as a seed you plant today. With some time, patience, and a little bit of nurturing, it can grow into a towering tree. Similarly, the property you invest in today could be worth much more in the future. Whether it's due to inflation, demand, or improvements you make to the property, appreciation can work in your favor. It's like a silent partner constantly working behind the scenes to increase your wealth. And the best part? When it's time to sell, you could be looking at potential profits that were virtually unimaginable when you first bought the property. So, appreciation can make your investment grow over time. The third benefit is the potential tax benefits. Now, we're not tax advisors, but it's important to know that real estate investing often comes with some pretty attractive tax perks. For starters, if you're renting out a property, the income you receive might be offset by a slew of potential deductions. I'm talking about things like mortgage interest, property tax, operating expenses, depreciation, and even repairs. Then, there's the capital gains aspect. If you sell a property and make a profit, you might be able to qualify for long-term capital gains tax rates, which are generally lower than regular income tax rates. And let's not forget about tax credits. There are a variety of credits available for things like energy efficiency upgrades or rehabilitating historic properties. And finally, there's the 1031 exchange, a nifty little provision that lets you defer paying taxes on profits if you reinvest them in another property. That's benefit number 3, potential tax benefits. The fourth benefit is diversification. Now let's talk about this fancy word, diversification. It's like a safety net for your investments. Imagine having all your eggs in one basket, and then the basket falls. Everything breaks, right? But if you spread those eggs across different baskets, even if one falls, you still have the others safe and sound. That's exactly what real estate investing does for your portfolio. It serves as one of those baskets, helping you spread out your investments. It's a tangible asset that doesn't always move in sync with the stock market, which can help reduce risk. If stocks take a nosedive, your real estate investments could potentially still hold steady or even appreciate. Adding real estate to your investment portfolio brings a nice balance, a harmony of sorts. It's like adding a dash of paprika to a dish. It just adds that extra flavor and color. So, benefit number 4 is the opportunity for diversification. Benefit number 5 is a hedge against inflation. Now you might be asking, what does that even mean? Well, let's break it down. Inflation is the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising. It's like the invisible monster that eats away at your money's purchasing power. But fear not, real estate investing is here to save the day. You see, as inflation increases, so too does the price of properties and the rent that can be charged for those properties. It's like having a superhero shield that grows stronger as the villain gets bigger. In this case, our superhero is real estate and the villain, well, that's inflation. So while your cup of coffee might cost twice as much 10 years from now, your real estate investment is also likely to have doubled in value, keeping pace with inflation. That's benefit number 5, a hedge against inflation. Real estate investing, your unsung hero in the fight against the invisible monster, inflation. The 6th benefit is control. Now isn't it appealing to be in the driver's seat when it comes to your investments? Well, that's exactly what real estate investing affords you. A level of control that's often elusive in other types of investments like stocks and bonds. Picture this, you're not at the mercy of the market or corporate decisions. Instead, you have a direct say in your property's value. You can increase its worth through upgrades or renovations. You can decide who rents your property and how much they pay. You get to strategize your investments, choosing the location and type of property to invest in. This control over your investment can lead to significant financial rewards if you play your cards right. It's like being the captain of your own ship, steering it towards your financial goals. So when you think about investing in real estate, remember that you're not just buying property, you're buying control. So benefit number 6 is control. And the 7th and final benefit we're going to discuss today is leverage. Now, what does that mean in the context of real estate investing? Well, simply put, leverage is the use of various financial instruments or borrowed capital to increase the potential return of an investment. Imagine this, you want to buy a property that costs $100,000, but you only have $20,000 in your pocket. In most financial markets, you would be out of luck. But in real estate, you can use that $20,000 as a down payment and leverage the rest from a bank or other lending institution. This allows you to control a much larger asset and reap the benefits from it. As the property appreciates, your equity grows and you can use that equity for further investments. It's like a snowball effect, your wealth keeps growing and growing. And that's benefit number 7, leverage. So, there you have it. The top 7 key benefits of real estate investing. Let's take a quick recap and revisit these compelling benefits that might have you picking up the phone to call your realtor. First off, we talked about cash flow. This is the extra profit left over after all the bills have been paid, and let's be honest, who doesn't love extra cash? Real estate investing can provide a steady income stream, and that's certainly a tempting proposition. Then we dove into appreciation. Over time, the value of real estate often goes up and your investment can grow in value along with it. Isn't it lovely when your money works for you? Next up, tax benefits. From deductions to depreciation, and even a lower tax rate for long-term investments, real estate can offer some sweet tax advantages. It's like a cherry on top of your investment sundae. We also discussed diversification. In the world of investing, it's never a good idea to put all your eggs in one basket. Real estate can add a new layer to your investment portfolio, providing balance and stability. Remember the hedge against inflation? When prices go up, so does the value of real estate and the income it generates. So, if you're looking for a way to armor up against inflation, real estate investing might be your knight in shining armor. We also touched on control. Unlike many other investments, real estate investing allows you to have direct control over your investment. You can make improvements, adjust rents, choose your tenants, and much more. It's like being the captain of your own financial ship. And finally, leverage. By using borrowed capital to increase the potential return of an investment, real estate can help you achieve more with less. But remember, while these benefits can make real estate investing sound like a dream, it's crucial to do your homework and understand the risks. It's not all sunshine and rainbows, and every investment requires careful consideration and planning. What do you think? Are these benefits enough to get you interested in real estate investing? Share your thoughts in the comments below.